And then we can use the split method. So let's go ahead and try running this again. Split is a method for strings. And so now we see that we get a list where the first entry is our date that we want. The second entry is the time and military time with like a lot with high resolution time. So let's just so let's update our today variable again and just store the first item from this list. So let's print out today again and make sure we get what we're expecting and what we want. Okay, pretty good. And we also don't need the year. So I'm going to say today is today from 0, 1, 2, 3,